Alrighty guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted, but I've been super busy. I've been working on a ton of stuff so that I can get everything lined up so I can invest into this channel. In a few videos ago, I sold my 2015 F-350 Platinum, okay? Now, the reason why I didn't just go and buy one right away was with the housing market right now and the way the interest rates are on stuff, I decided that it would be a better idea to take and refinance my house and potentially use some of the equity that I've gained to put down or to buy another truck. So that worked, okay? My credit went up immensely, paid off some credit cards. Not having a truck made it super easy to not have something to dump a ton of money into. So I paid down credit cards. My credit score went way up. I was able to do a conventional loan. I have over 20% equity in the house. So I did my conventional loan, dropped my house payment by $900, and now I'm in the market for a truck. So I'm on my way to Tooele, Utah, and we are looking at a 2018 F-350 Ultimate Platinum dually. I am super excited about this, and let's go get, I can't even speak. Let's go check it out. Alrighty guys, so we just pulled up to the dealership and they've got the Ford sitting right there. Okay, I have not been up to see it yet close in person, but I have not let you know this thing is sitting on 28-inch specialty forged wheels. It's a Platinum Ultimate Aspen white color or Star White color. I don't know. I don't really know which one it is. I think they changed it to Star White. Oh my God. So here it is. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I know some of you people on the channel are going to be triggered right now, but hear me out. 28s on a dually, how many people do you know that have that? So let's go ahead, walk inside. Let's see if he's ready to show us the truck yet, because oh man, I'm super excited to have a new truck. I cannot wait. This is the first truck that I have looked at. I looked at the first dually that I actually should say that I've looked at. I've never looked at a truck with 28-inch wheels. The last truck that we just looked at had 22 by 12 American Forces. These are specialty forged wheels. And like I said, this one's a 2018 F-350. And just check it out. It already has a weight reduction kit on it. Went on a diet. Wow. Those are big. Does this kind of describe how big these wheels are? Just a little bit. Hello. Not much. How are you? Are you fine with being on camera?
Huh? Yeah, I don't mind being.
What's up, man?
How's it going?
Oh man, I'm super excited.
Are you?
This is rad.
Yeah, this is... So you got color match platinum badges. You got the custom headlights. You got the color match insides. LEDs, color match mirrors, bumpers. You got the vinyl wrap roof top. Looks like one big panel roof up there. You got the electronic bed liner, tinted tail lights.
The black interior, just like we've been looking for. White on black. Whew, this truck is beautiful. Will you start it up for me? Those tinted taillights look great. Looks like we have a 5-inch weight reduction kit with what looks like to be a 7 or 8-inch tip. Okay, so 23,000, almost 24,000 miles on here, and look at that interior. That is just rad. So the last one, the difference between the one that we just looked at and this one, this right here had the old style wood, like the red mahogany style look wood. I don't know exactly what they call it on here, but this one's got all the bells and whistles on it. So what we're gonna do if we get this truck, we're gonna take and we're gonna bump it up 3 inches. We're gonna put bigger MT tires on it, and we are probably gonna do an air ride eventually. So all right, so like we talked about having weight reduction, the switch is actually down here. It's on a 5-dial switch, which we'll be taking that, replacing that with an Easy Link. I've never really messed with this dash right here, but what I would need to do is figure out how we're gonna fit an iPad in here so I can run all my gauges and stuff, but that's to come later if we end up getting this truck. Okay, so we are here with Buy Right Enterprises, so if you guys need any trucks, these guys have been super cool to work with so far. Super straightforward, no BS so far, so if you need a truck and you're in Tooele, Utah, definitely let them know.
Yes, sir.
Got the dual panel roof in here. Like he mentioned, it is wrapped on top so that it does actually look like it's which is pretty sweet.
This is also tinted as well. I don't know if you can really tell. It's pretty dark compared to factory guys.
That is awesome.
I believe 25 on the front.
That's awesome. Like there's no way we're going 50 miles an hour.
As far as people questioning wobbles and stuff, we had a truck with 24s on it, a dually 24-inch American Forces. They shook pretty bad around 70 through 80. This one you'll feel it right around 55. A small shake right past 55, it's gone. So about 58, 60 is the shakes, but you're about 5 miles per hour off on speed.
Okay.
But other than that, you'll be surprised how smooth it rides down the road on Utah roads. It doesn't have that bounce as most dualies have. I think the 28's weighted out pretty good.
Cool.
I was hoping that it wouldn't shake, and I'm glad it didn't, because I had to drive it 21 hours back. So it was actually a smooth ride back.
So he said that this truck came from San Antonio, Texas?
Yes, sir.
San Antonio, Texas, and he drove it all the way back. That is rad. So about 21 total hour drive. Does not ride near as rough as I thought it was going to.
Oh, it's smooth.
So far, I guess I should say. But man, this is rad. Tinted dual panel sunroof. Nice. Thanks for pulling out in front of me. You can't not get a massage when you're in the new Platinums, when you're driving. All right, let's get out and see some of that custom lighting that we've got going on there, or on here. Okay, so we've got tinted top cab lights. We've got custom DRL LED lighting right here. Woo-hoo-hoo! Those sure do look nice and bright. That is what we like to see. Let's go check out these tail lights. Man, that's rad. Little third brake light right there. Custom tinted lighting. Oh man, does that look rad. Okay, what do you guys think? Let me know right now. Drop down below and let me know what you think of this truck. I think it's pretty rad. Ah, man, my heart is beating. I'm so excited to be buying a new truck, and I'm getting a new truck this week. I don't know exactly which truck we're gonna be going with yet, but you know, if you've been following the channel, you know we wanted a dually for a long time. Go ahead and let us know what you guys think of this truck. Drop in the comments right now and let us know. My diesel so much, boys, so much. Ah, that's rad. That is definitely, oh, that sounds great. Those 5-inch exhausts really do scream. For those of you guys that remember or those of you OGs for the channel, my truck, my F-250 had a 4-inch exhaust with a 6-inch tip. And this one seems to be a 5-inch exhaust with either a 7 or an 8-inch tip. I haven't measured it yet, but that sounds rad. Thank you guys for watching another video brought to you by me, Colin Bracken. So I actually did not end up picking up this truck today, and one of the reasons why is because I found an oil leak that I will post a picture of right here on the screen. For a 2018 with 20,000 miles, having an oil leak, I would like to see that fixed before I spend $75,000 on a truck. If that's the case, then I might come back, or we might renegotiate a price on there. But for right now, we're going to keep looking. So don't forget to hit subscribe to follow me along the journey of finding and buying and building my dream truck. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like down below. This vlog is over. Peace.